In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Chromebook sound not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Chromebook audio issues are usually caused by a zombie Bluetooth connection or a software lock in the Chrome browser settings. Now, often the Chromebook thinks it's still connected to a pair of Bluetooth headphones that are in another room. Click the time in the bottom right corner, look at the volume slider, and if the speaker icon is blue, click the arrow next to it. Under output, make sure internal speakers is selected, not a Bluetooth device or display audio. If it was on the wrong device, switching back should restore sound immediately. If your speakers aren't even being detected as an option, the audio controller may crash. So a standard restart won't always fix this. What you want to do is turn your Chromebook off, then press and hold the refresh key, which is the circular arrow on the top row, and while holding refresh, tap the power button. Then release refresh when the Chromebook starts up. If sound works in some apps but not in the Chrome browser, right-click the tab at the top of your browser, and if it says unmute site, go ahead and click it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.